Changing your primary bank on Salt Edge is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your Salt Edge account. Access your Salt Edge account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you have your login information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the Profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Bank Management. In Account Settings, look for an option related to bank management or linked accounts. This section allows you to view and manage your current primary bank and any additional banks linked to your account. Step 4. Change primary bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new primary bank, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your primary bank has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary bank on Salt Edge. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.